there, this is IVU, and today I would like to show you this newly renovated HDB 3-room flats in Ang Mo Kio Estate, where good connectivity, good amenities, great school and good food choices all in one location. Developed in 1970s, Ang Mo Kio was the 7th new town to be built in Singapore. The town council concept was also first launched here as a pilot project in 1986. Today, the town offers many facilities for live, work, play and learn, interweaving the old and new lifestyle, catering to the changing needs of residents. This north-south facing 3NG flat spanning a total floor area of 67 square meter and 721 square feet. The older HDB flats layout are larger with good-sized hall and bedrooms that even fits large-sized wardrobe and king-size bed. The owner loves the mix of retro, hip and modern minimalistic feel, thus retaining the nostalgic terrazzo flooring, which was lovingly polished and restored. On many reno or home design portals, you will find that terrazzo floorings are commonly featured as part of many interior designs. This evergreen flooring is so versatile, it will blend into your deco style of choice, definitely never goes out of style. The terrazzo flooring covers the entire hall and both bedrooms. The whole house was renovated with new wirings and all windows and window grills were changed. Owner kept everything within the minimalistic feel. The bright and airy kitchen was renovated with all brand new floorings and wall tiles, new pipings and lots of storage in these new kitchen cabinets. Wow! Even the kitchen appliances such as gas stove, cooker hood, fridge and washing machines are still in pristine condition, saving you the hassle of spending time and money to renovate. All are well equipped for your daily meal prep. Just like the main hall, the kitchen windows enjoys the same north-south facing, so windy and bright with partial unblocked view. Like to share, both bathrooms underwent the Home Improvement Program, which is fully paid by owner. You do not have to worry about any extra costs. Enjoy ultimate convenience just one bus stop away. You will reach Ang Mo Kio Hub, Ang Mo Kio Central, Shopping Mall, bus interchange and MRT station. If you have sudden food cravings, just a street away, you will find Hawker Food Centre, 24 hours Sheng Siong Supermarket, Wet Market and HDB neighbourhood shops for all your daily essentials. Not forgetting families with schooling kids, Ang Mo Kio will be one of the top choice HDB estate with many good schools within walking distance of 5 minutes drive away. Calling all nature lovers, fancy going for a jog or would like to bring your doggy to the park? Within a few minutes walk, you will enjoy greenery surrounding at Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park and Ang Mo Kio Town Garden West Park. Wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.